Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the DeWalt DCF 622N XJ cordless screwdriver. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. The DeWalt DCF 622P2 lithium-ion brushless self-drilling screwdriver, ideal for quick-fitting jobs such as metal roofing and assemble projects. The powerful high-torque brushless motor enhances the performance and durability of the power tool, delivering up to 2000 RPM and a dry screws of up to 6.15mm diameter. The DCF 622P2 is powerful but lightweight and compact tool with a robust and durable design, making it ideal for on-site work and DIY enthusiasts. It is also handy repeat screw action setting, making it efficient and effective, featuring a trigger lock, LED work light and angled belt clip. The specifications include the following. The length is 205mm, the height is 125mm, the battery chemistry is a lithium ion, the voltage is 18, it has a battery capacity of 2.0 Ah, the maximum torque is 5 to 30 Nm, it has a power output of 435 watts, the no load speed is 0 to 4400 RPM, the tool holder is 6.35mm, and the product weighs 1.88 kg. DeWalt Industrial Tool Company is a worldwide manufacturer of power tools and hand tools for the construction, manufacturing and woodworking industries, as well as DIY. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.